This is what life's about, love. We just
snowing.
live without love. I know without
My
a
first time
doubt,
seeing
love,
snowfall.
figure it out. I know, we'll run the race before
Got some beer.
I'll go.
A mixed 6-pack. You want one?
Winds blow. Let our love be our compass. My true north is where you are. This is what life's about, love. We just can't live without love. I know without a doubt, love, we're gonna figure
Ooh,
it
nice.
out.
It's fruity, this one.
Beer number 2.
Anthony Hopkins. Let's go. Ooh, dark. Dark. There's a red.
Completely different to the other.
A red IPA. Yeah, completely different. Alright, well there you go. That's Moose reviews on some beer.
Onto your heart so close, your gold.
Let's go our own dinner tonight. Good old sausage and bread. Beer number 3.
I'm gonna have this one because you've got the hazy for ants. What is this?
This is what life's about, love. We just can't live without.
Nice, this is like a mid-dark beer. It's like a good entry level to dark beer, this one.
So let's start to sing it out loud, love. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out.
Good morning. Here we are in Lake Tekapo. And it says it's gonna snow.
Says it's gonna snow.
So we'll see. Never seen snow?
Never seen snow.
It's kind of stopped.
Now it's rain.
Now it's raining, quick get in. You like your snow?
Open your eyes. It's a beautiful
You
life.
got snow on your Aussie hat.
Take a step, arms out wide into the sunlight. Do you see what I
Snowing.
see?
Snowing.
There's a glow all
My
around.
first time seeing
I can
snowfall.
feel it in the air. It's like magic. This whole big world is ours. This whole big world is ours. Wander near and far. Oh, this whole big world is ours.
So today's plans have now changed and we are stuck inside because it is snowing. We're just gonna hang out in the common room at our accommodation, chatting to all these nice people we've met, and hopefully it clears up later. It says it will, and we'll be on our way.
Over mountains, through the valleys, all that's in between. As long as you're here with me. Do you feel what I feel? There's a song all around us. I can hear it in the air. It's like magic. This whole big world is ours. This whole big world is ours. Wander near and far. Oh, this whole big world is
We've just pulled over on the side of the highway because this is amazing.
We can go anywhere, forever caught in the feeling. Follow the road where it's leading, forever caught in the feeling.
now hailing. Today has been an interesting day for weather.
Here we are. We have made it to civilization. Ashburton.
Sam found a dog. Always does.